He tried to keep it low ever since he lost his leg, but eventually some pictures of him without a leg came out on the internet. Many South Africans have been fans of one of the most famous South African actress, Israel Zulu. He has blessed the TV screens of many South Africans for many years, and unfortunately his acting career on Gomora had come to an end due to his very unfortunate sickness. It was announced not so long ago that Israel's Zulu had problems with sickness called gangrene. That it is said that the sickness targets muscles, and he eventually had to lose one of his legs. He tried to keep it low ever since he lost his leg, but eventually some pictures of him without a leg came out on the internet. Many people were devastated to see that their favorite actor is now struggling to walk because of having one of his legs amputated. In the picture, you can see him walking with crutches while he took a picture with his fan. You can see that he's still in high spirits, even though he recently lost a leg. It is evidence that this man will not stop for anything that happens to him, as he is a man of great faith. Many believe that Israel would remain hidden for a while after losing his leg, but it did not let that get to him. He made sure that he goes back to his normal life, and even though he cannot act or do anything, he is able to work and live his life even though it is tough crushes. He says that he does not want pity from the public. He is just a man without a leg, but he is still himself. What's your take on the matter of Israel losing his leg? Please don't forget to comment below and subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye bye.